Every trader wants confidence. They chase it in wins, in setups that feel right, in moments where the market seems to confirm their bias. But the kind of confidence that lasts doesn't come from moments. It comes from evidence. It comes from data. When you can point to hundreds of trades and see, in black and white, that your process holds up over time, that's when you stop needing the market to prove anything to you. You already know. The problem is that most traders build their confidence backward. They take a few wins, start feeling good, and decide they've figured it out. But then a string of losses hits, and that fragile confidence collapses. That's because it was built on emotion, not validation. Hope feels good until it doesn't. Real confidence doesn't swing with the outcome of a single day. It's anchored in numbers, not feelings. Data is truth without emotion. It tells you when your setup works, how often it fails, how much you gain on average, and how much you lose. It shows you your expectancy, the mathematical heartbeat of your trading. If you truly study those numbers, they give you something priceless: perspective. You stop reacting to noise because you know what's normal. You stop fearing losses because you understand variance. You stop chasing trades because you know exactly what you're looking for. When you track your data long enough, you realize something profound. Confidence isn't a feeling to chase. It's a habit to maintain. Every day you journal your trades, every stat you record, every pattern you analyze. That's you building faith through proof. The work is the confidence. Because when your process is transparent, the fear of uncertainty fades. You're no longer guessing, you're observing. Hope says, maybe this will work. Data says, this has worked 42% of the time with a 2.8 R expectancy. Hope trades from emotion. Data trades from understanding. And the difference between the two is everything. The trader who trades from data can lose 5 times in a row and still feel calm, because they know the 6th trade might be the one that pays for all 5. The hopeful trader? They spiral after one loss, change their plan, tweak their setup, or start searching for new confirmation, all because they never did the work to see the truth for themselves. The best traders are data-driven not because they love spreadsheets, but because they value certainty born from effort. They know how their edge behaves, and that knowledge keeps them grounded when everything else feels chaotic. That's why they can execute through discomfort. They're not guessing. They're following math, not emotion. So if your confidence feels shaky, don't double down on hope. Double down on tracking. Do the boring work. Because in trading, the numbers are your mirror. They reveal your habits, your discipline, your edge, and they don't lie. Confidence built from that foundation can't be shaken because it isn't borrowed from the market. It's built by you,